everyone, and welcome back to Ajastro Maniguru, your ultimate source for the latest updates and insightful analysis across the commodity markets. I'm Neena, and today we're putting the spotlight on Jeera or cumin as we break down its recent market movements and what could be on the horizon. Jeera has been quite the talking point this past week, showing a consistent upward trend in spot markets for 3 consecutive days, ending Thursday, July 31st Street. We saw prices in the local mandis of Gujarat and Rajasthan climb by a notable 50 to 100 rupees per 20 kilograms. Now, what's driving this appreciation? Two key factors are at play. Firstly, there's been a significant influx of superior quality Jeera arriving in the markets. This premium stock is naturally attracting better prices. Secondly, we're observing robust activity from the export sector, adding further demand pressure. Looking at the cumulative effect, Jeera prices have on average increased by 125 to 150 rupees per 20 kilograms over these last 3 days. This sustained upward momentum in the physical market is certainly something to watch. If we see a mirroring positive trend in the futures markets, it could very well ignite even stronger demand in the spot segment going forward. Let's talk about the supply side. On Thursday, total Jeera arrivals across Gujarat and Rajasthan stood at approximately 9,500 bags, with each bag weighing 55 kilograms. Gujarat alone accounted for a substantial 9,000 bags of this total. Diving deeper into specific mandi movements, Unjha Mandi, a major hub, received around 6,000 bags of Jeera. Prices there varied based on quality. Rough quality Jeera traded between 3,400 to 3,500 rupees per 20 kilograms. Best quality fetched 3,600 to 3,650 rupees. And the coveted Bombay Bold commanded 3,650 to 3,750 rupees per 20 kilograms. In contrast, Rajkot Mandi, with around 800 bags in arrivals, saw trades ranging from 3,365 to 3,585 rupees per 20 kilograms, indicating a slight dip of 15 rupees. Gondal Mandi, receiving 850 bags, witnessed trades at a higher bracket from 3,550 to 3,760 rupees per 20 kilograms. Other mandis collectively reported arrivals of about 1,350 bags. And in Rajasthan's mandis specifically, we saw arrivals totaling around 500 bags. Now, let's shift our focus to the National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange, or NCDEX, and the Jeera futures contracts. On Thursday, we observed a largely sideways trend. The August Jeera contract settled at 19,000 rupees per quintal, registering a modest gain of 10 rupees. However, the September contract saw a slight dip of 5 rupees, trading at 19,140 rupees per quintal. This sideways movement in futures, despite the spot market's upward drive, suggests a degree of cautious sentiment or consolidation among traders on the exchange. So while the spot markets have shown clear strength due to quality supply and export interest, the futures market is exhibiting a more subdued sideways pattern. As we move into August, market participants will be closely watching for a confluence of these trends. Will the spot market's positive momentum eventually pull the futures higher, or will the futures sideways movement temper spot gains? We'll continue to track these developments closely and bring you the most relevant analysis. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Ajastro Maniguru for more daily commodity insights, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Neena, signing off from Ajastro Maniguru. See you in the next video.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और शोषे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।